Hey bro, why are you looking dull? Are you okay? No bro, I have some doubts on our Physiology 2012 question paper. I don't know to whom should I ask. Hey bro, that's not a big deal. We can clear all our doubts through group discussion. Let's include Oru friends also. That's a great idea. Hi friends. Alan have some doubts on Physiology 2012 question paper. Can we make a group study? Through that we can share our ideas and clear our all doubts.
Ooh, we are very happy to know that from you guys. We were also talking about that. Let's begin. Then let's start with the 15-mark question.
Okay, the first question is what is erythropoiesis and what are the factors affecting erythropoiesis?
Erythropoiesis is defined as the process of the origin, development and maturation of erythrocytes. What is erythrocytes?
Erythrocytes are types of blood cells that is made in the bone marrow and found in the blood.
RBC or red blood cell is the another name of erythrocytes.
What are the main function of erythrocytes?
The main function of RBC is to carry oxygen from the lung to the body tissues and carbon dioxide as a waste product away from the tissue and back to the lungs.
The normal human RBC have biconcave shape. The diameter of RBC is 7 to 8 microns and the thickness is about 2.5 microns.
Normal lifespan of RBC is 120 days. It is produced in bone marrow. Spleen is known as the graveyard of RBC.
Is there any difference in process of erythropoiesis in newborns, children and adults? Yes, of course. In fetal life, erythropoiesis occurs as 3 stages. They are mesoblastic stage, hepatic stage and myeloid stage.
Can you please explain these stages simply?
Sure. Mesoblastic stage occurs in the first 2 months of intrauterine life. The RBC are produced from the mesenchyma of the yolk sac. Hepatic stage starts from the 3rd month of intrauterine life. Liver is the main organ that produces RBC during this stage. Spleen and lymphatic organs are also included in this process, and the myeloid stage occurs at the last 2 months of incubation life. In this stage, the RBCs are produced from the red bone marrow and liver.
Okay. Then how does erythropoiesis occurs in newborn baby and adults? Up to the age of 20, RBCs are produced from the bone marrow of all the long and flat bones. After the age of 20, RBC are formed from the membranous bones such as vertebrae, sternum, ribs, scapula, iliac bones and skull bones and from the end of the long bones.
What are the changes during erythropoiesis? Cells of colony-forming unity pass through different stages and finally become the matured RBC. During these stages some important changes can be noticed. They are reduction in size of RBC, disappearance of nucleoli and nucleus, appearance of hemoglobin and changes in staining properties of the cytoplasm.
What are the changes of erythropoiesis?
There are 6 stages. They are proerythroblast, early normoblast, intermediate normoblast, late normoblast, reticulocyte, and matured RBC. What is proerythroblasts?
It is the first cell derived from the colony-forming unit E. It is very large in size. Its diameter is about 20 microns. Nucleus is large and it occupies the cell almost completely. Say something about early normoblast.
This cell is smaller than proerythroblasts. Diameter is about 15 microns. Nucleoli disappears in this stage. Condensation of chromatin network occurs. Cytoplasm is basophilic in nature.
Okay. Then what is intermediate normoblast?
This cell is smaller than the early normoblast. Diameter is 10 to 12 microns. Nucleus is still present but the chromatin network shows further condensation. Hemoglobin starts appearing. Cytoplasm is already basophilic.
Can anyone describe late normoblast? Sure. In this stage, the diameter of the cell decrease further to 8 to 10 microns. Nucleus become very small with very much condensed chromatin network. It is known as ink spot nucleus. Quantity of hemoglobin increases. Cytoplasm becomes almost acidophilic.
Okay then, what is reticulocyte? It is otherwise known as immature RBC. It is slightly larger than normal RBC. The cytoplasm contains the reticular network. Due to the presence of reticular network, it is called reticulocyte.
And this is the last stage of erythropoiesis. Matured erythrocyte or RBC. Reticular network disappear and the cell become the matured RBC and attains the biconcave shape. The cell decreases in size to 7.2 microns in diameter. It takes 7 days for the formation and maturation of RBC from pre-erythroblast. It takes 5 days up to the stage of reticulocyte. Reticulocyte takes 2 days to become the matured RBC.
What are the factors necessary for erythropoiesis?
Development and maturation of RBC require variety of factors. They are classified into 3. They are general factors, maturation factors, and factors necessary for formation of hemoglobin. General factors are erythropoietin, thyroxine, hemopoietic growth factors, and vitamins. Maturation factors include vitamin B12, intrinsic factors, and folic acid.
We completed a 15-mark question within a short time. It's really great. Thanks for clearing all my doubts.
Let's meet again with another topic, guys.